Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, we are going to cover the topic intersecting and non-intersecting lines, which comes under the chapter lines and angles. So first of all, let me recall you actually what is line. So a line is a straight path which has no endpoints. It's line. And if we make a straight path with only one endpoint, then it is ray. And if we make a straight path with two endpoints, then it's line segment. And for about angles, it's formed when two rays intersect each other, and this point is known as vertex, and this is our angle. So it's all the prerequisite things. Now coming to main part of this video. So first of all, it's given intersecting line. So definition is there. Two lines are called intersecting lines if they meet or cross each other at a single point. Okay, which means we have two lines. The first one is this. We can name it as a L, and the another one is this one. Suppose its name is M. So if these lines are cross each other at a one point and it's there, so we can say they are intersecting lines. Now the second one is the common point where they meet is called the point of intersection. Suppose this point is O, so we can say O is the point of intersection. There is some examples also given, the two diagonals of a rectangle if they intersect at the center. So let me draw this one. This one is rectangle, and if I make the diagonal, this is the first one and this is the second one. So this point, which is of red color there, is the point of intersection of two diagonals. Now the second, the letter X, two lines intersect at the middle. It's also very basic. Suppose it's X, then this point is known as the point of intersection. So there are some properties also written, which we'll do again when we will do some properties of angle. So first given is that when two lines intersect each other, vertically opposite angles are equal. Okay, so in short, let me tell you, when two lines intersect, then angles formed between the opposite side, okay, this one, are equal. We can say angle 1 is equal to angle 2. And the one more property, they can intersect at only one point if they are not coincident. So here coincident means, suppose I have this line, the first one, and the second line is this black one. So coincidence means if they overlap each other like that. Now the white line, now the black line and the blue line, both are covering the same path. Okay, they are overlapping with each other. So we can say they are coinciding. So it's for this, and if we can say like this condition, so now they are intersecting at any single point. So that's the idea behind this line, that they can intersect at only one point, which is there, or in the case when they are not coincident. Okay, now it's all for the intersecting line. Now the next topic we have non-intersecting lines. So definition is there, two lines are non-intersecting if they never meet or cross each other, no matter how far they extend in both directions. Okay, so let me draw some lines there. This is the first one with blue color. And the second one is this M. So it's written there, if they never meet or cross each other, no matter how far they are extended in both directions. which means if I extend this line like that, then it should not intersect with the black one. Okay, so let me stop there. Now I am working with this line. So I am extending this one, and you can see there that they will never intersect. Both are equidistant from each other at every part. Like this distance is also equal, this is also equal, and this one also. So they will never intersect each other. Now the second case, suppose we are moving this line little bit in this direction. Okay, at that point they are not intersecting. But if we extend this one and this one also, and upon increasing their length, they are intersecting each other at this point. So now they are intersecting lines. So this condition you have to keep in mind, that they never meet across each other no matter how far they are extended in both the direction. So that's the point behind the idea of intersecting lines. Now there are two types of non-intersecting lines. It's given that first one is parallel lines, which we have drawn there. So they always keep the same distance apart, which I have already explained, like this distance and this is always equal, never meet if extended, and example is given there, opposite edges of rectangle. So if I draw rectangle there, then this edge, this one and this, they never intersect no matter how far we can extend this one. You can also see in the diagram, I am extending this one, but they are not intersecting. Okay, we have covered the whole screen in both the directions, but they are equidistant. So we can say they are parallel. And the another example is railway track. So it looks like that. Okay, it never intersect each other. You have also seen this thing. Now the second one is about coincident lines, lines that lie exactly on top of each other, as explained already. So suppose this one is one line, it's L, and the another one M. So if this line overlap with this one with blue, so we can say they are coinciding line. Okay, it's the condition that they should overlap each other. If they look like that, the first one is this and second one is this, then we cannot say they are coinciding. They are very near, but this is the point of intersection. Okay, that's the difference between both. And one property is given there, that they have infinitely many common points, which we can also see, like this point, this. So all are infinite points and they are on both lines. Now visual difference is given there about how we can identify with all these lines. So first of all, intersecting line, they meet at one point. So let me draw again. This is for first one. Let me write there. Now parallel lines, one symbol is also given there. For parallel lines, we can draw two straight lines. Okay, so for parallel lines, I can make these two are parallel lines. Suppose first one is L and this one is M. And one property which I am repeating many times, that they all are equidistant. Now the final most coincidence lines. So third one, this one, the blue one and the black one, if I make two lines such that they overlap each other, then I can say they are coincident line as written there. Okay, this one is the first and this one is second. So I think all the concepts which we have covered in this video are clear to you. So keep practicing, and still if you got any doubt, then you can ask me through my profile.